Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make lemon pickle. Lemon pickle is a traditional Indian condiment made with lemons, ground spices, salt and an optional ingredient oil. Many Indian households make pickles during summer that usually last for a year. Pickles are eaten as a side in an Indian meal and is believed to aid digestion when eaten in small quantities. In India, each region has a different recipe for making pickles. In this video, I am going to share my mom's recipe along with lots of tips to keep the lemon pickle good for an year. So guys, stay tuned till the end. This lemon pickle can be made with just 7 ingredients. So here are the ingredients required. Here I have taken 2 cups of methi seeds powder. Methi seeds are lightly roasted before powdering. Half cup of turmeric powder. Next is a chili powder, which is a key ingredient. It is nothing but 100% pure ground red chilies. Half spoon of hing. Salt. The last ingredient here is a sugar. Here I have taken around 50 lemons. Lemons with thin skin are used to make the pickle as they taste less bitter and mature quickly after pickling. Here is a tip to make lemon pickle. Ensure all the ingredients, knife, chopping board, bowls, spoons and all other things used to make the pickle are dry and moisture free. Do not use anything directly from the refrigerator. Bring them to room temperature and use. This step is essential for a good shelf life. So don't miss out taking care of all these. Alright, the very first step in the preparation of this lemon pickle is that rinse lemons well under running water and pat dry with a clean cloth. Alternately, you can even air dry them until completely moist free. I left them overnight in a colander. Before cutting lemons into pieces, ensure your chopping board, knife, bowls, spoons and everything else you use to make the pickle are moisture free and dry. You can also sun dry or air dry them well for a couple of hours. Once all the items are moisture free and dry, cut the lemons to half and then chop them to quarters or smaller cubes as desired. Now into chopped lemon pieces I am adding in 2 cups of salt. Salt is added during the preparation of pickles for preserving pickles by anaerobic fermentation producing lactic acid. Lactic acid preserves the pickles and gives them their characteristic flavor. The salt concentration is very important in this process. Mix everything really very well. Keep tossing. Once salt is mixed well with lemon pieces, cover and rest for 24 hours to 3 days in a dry place. Avoid keeping in high humid places like kitchen counter, etc. I left mine in the living room. After 24 hours, lemon will begin to change the color slightly but not tender yet. Again, toss them nicely. You can see that there is slight change in the color of the lemon. Now to the same container, I am adding in half cup of turmeric powder. Mix it really very well. Keep tossing. Turmeric gives an amazing color to the pickle, so don't skip adding this turmeric, as it boosts your immune system, improves digestion, regulates insulin secretion. Next I am adding in half spoon of hing. Hing being rich in fiber aids in digestion. Next I am adding in methi seeds powder. Methi seeds are used in most traditional pickles as they help in fermenting the pickle well. These seeds also adds an unique flavor without leaving a bitter taste. Mix it really very well. Keep tossing. Methi seeds, which are popularly known as fenugreek, is rich in fiber and antioxidant. It helps in flushing out harmful toxins from the body and aids in digestion. Once everything is mixed well, I am going to add chili powder, which is the key ingredient here. It is nothing but pure 100% ground red chilies. I suggest using a milder version for lesser heat. Mix it well, keep tossing. Lastly, I am going to add sugar. Sugar does also acts as a preserver, but if you don't want the added sweetness, you can skip adding sugar. Mix all of them again. Once everything is mixed well, cover it and set it aside. After few minutes, transfer this lemon pickle to a airtight glass jar. Let the pickle mature for at least 10 to 20 days before you serve. When the pickle is ready, the lemon pieces will soften. So guys, try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified on my new posts. Until next video, take care, bye bye.